Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
I,
I,
Know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
J,
J,
K,
K,
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin
L,
L,
the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
M,
know the
M,
Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
N,
N,
Do you know the
O,
Muffin
O,
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
P,
Lane?
P,
Yes, we know the Muffin
red color,
Man, the Muffin
red color,
the Muffin Man. Yes,
orange color,
the Muffin
orange color,
lives on Drury Lane.
yellow color,
yellow color,
blue color,
blue color,
green color,
green color,
purple color,
purple color,
pink color,
pink color,
brown color,
brown color.
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
Donald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a,
P,
everywhere.
P,
Old MacDonald
I,
had a
J, K,
E-I-E-I-O.
L, M, N, O, P.
Old MacDonald had
Thank you. See you soon.